So welcome Rahul sir to SPNZ Autotech in Mundhwa. We really appreciate your visit. From your busy schedule, you have taken some time out. Would like to know your valuable comments for us, please.
It's really an honor to be here, and I must say this is one of the best. One pack solution. So I'm getting over here. It's complete. I suggest to all those are watching this video, I definitely going to suggest you come to this place, visit this place. This is one home solution where you can get a very class mechanic, a good paint job. The most important thing, the behavior of staff, the way they treat you like a very valuable customer. And the most important thing, the price are such a reasonable price. You won't believe it even कि इतनी बड़ी जगह पे और इतनी अच्छी जगह पे इस तरह के ऑफर प्राइसेस दे सकते हैं. तो I must say to all my viewers, they should come to and visit this workshop. Honor are too good. Take care of their staff, and personally, my car, I'm gonna visit again and again, and definitely I'm going to recommend my all friends to visit over here.
Thank you so much, Rahul sir.
Thank you, sir.